Hello and welcome to another update video, and we talk about Avalanche. Avalanche is doing really well. Avalanche still above all the daily EMAs here, and I'm really pleased because for all channel members I've got the buy orders and the sell orders on Discord, and one buy order. For me it was triggered. It might not have triggered for everybody, but I did set a buy order at $101 US, and if I hold on to that candle here, you can see that the low was at 101.03. Now this is on Binance. It was triggered for me on KuCoin, and that did work at $101 US. So yeah, the absolute low. So a bit of luck was definitely with this, and that was triggered, and now we're going up, and already from that low we can see here to the upside already nice 14% profit within just a few hours. So that's fantastic. I don't know who else had that buy order set on Discord. It's for all channel members. You can see my buy and set orders for various cryptocurrencies. Normally it's more long-term trading, but yeah, for Avalanche, because we are doing quite well, I did set one at $101 US. My last sell order didn't trigger. I did have that set below the fib level here, the 0.214 fib level. We didn't get quite there. We didn't quite get there last time, but maybe we will this time in the next pump to the upside, because this for me is looking impulsive, definitely. So maybe in the next move we are going to get there. Overall, how is Avalanche looking? So if we take a look here on the hourly, on the daily, to move in a little bit, zoom in a little bit, make it a bit smaller. We are holding fine. So we are holding fine. Let me take that one out. And if we take a look on the RSI on the daily, we can see that we are not overbought yet, which makes me think we could get to that $124, $125 level, the 0.214 fib level. You can see that here, 125.81 is that fib level, to which I think we can get in the next move to the upside. MACD also showing positive, not losing any momentum here at the moment on the daily. We did have that bullish cross here a few days ago, and we are moving higher. So that's what we are doing. We are above, as I said, above all the daily EMAs that have relevance here. And if we take a look on the weekly, just to see where we are now, we need to be careful, because on the weekly we are getting overbought again shortly. For now, however, I think it's not a massive problem. We were overbought. We came out of it in that retracement here. Now we are holding, found support, and we're moving up again. We're not overbought yet on the weekly. And also on the MACD, we could, on the weekly MACD, we could stop a bearish crossover. So it is not looking too bad at the moment. As soon as you see a bearish crossover there, I'd be extremely careful. On the 4-hour chart as well, we can see this MACD is turning around now to the upside again. And also we are not overbought on the 4-hour chart. So that is all looking positive. And I think, you know, we need to get above that the previous high here at $107 US. And then the next resistance will be at $125. And that is also where I will take some profit. Hope we'll get there. You know, in the end, if we don't get there, I'm just going to hold longer. Sooner or later, we are going to get there. And what is very interesting for me, what will AVAX do if Bitcoin starts to go up again? I don't know if you know my Bitcoin videos, but with Bitcoin, I do expect a move to the upside before we eventually will come down further. So if Bitcoin goes up further now, I would expect AVAX also to move higher, maybe even making a new all-time high. And then it becomes interesting, because if we now see a new impulsive move here to the upside, then I don't think that we might actually see that area down here. I did think we would, but it all depends how the price is going to turn out now. And if we move above 125.81, then I think that's for me a confirmed breakout. I mean, we made a double bottom here. So all of that indicates that we then won't come down into that target area that I had down here. That was based on that previous, I think the fibs from here, from down here, the higher level wave. Yeah, if we take that high level wave 1, 2 to the downside, but that would have become only live had we dropped too low here. So had we dropped below that previous low here, I think at that one here at $78. Now we did drop briefly below that, but not massively. And we can see we had a double bottom here. So from here we've now moved up higher, and it's now really getting interesting. So, you know, in terms of setting buy orders as well, you know, I did set these buy orders comfortably above the 0.5 FIB level. That's where I thought we would find support if we come down, and it worked out perfectly in this case. Now we're moving through the 0.382 FIB level, moving higher here, and the next key resistance, as I said, is $117. So let's see. If you want to see, as I said, buy and sell orders, check out my Discord. You can find the link if you sign up as a channel member, either on my website, link in the description, or here on YouTube, and you will get the link to Discord and Telegram. And yes, really good community now. And what I need to say, the next resistance here will be a big one. You know, I had resistance here, support here. So that's the $125. That'll be difficult to get through, but if we get through there, then I think we have the realistic possibility to make new all-time highs. And I think in that case, we can see prices here of around $200 in that next wave to the upside. So hopefully you liked the update about Avalanche. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.